We are back with Newton School's 19 Days of Python Challenge. And today's video is all about flow. We're building programs that run with purpose using while loops and logic that make sense.
So there is another type of loop which is while loop, and this is used to repeat a block of code till the time some condition is true. So for loop is running on a sequence, on a range, right, on a particular elements. While loop you can run till the time some condition is true. So the syntax is simple: while condition and then the code to execute. So let me comment this, whatever we have written till now. So basically, let's see the example of while loop. So while loop is like a flowing river. The river keeps on flowing until the time it has obstacle. As simple as that. So as long as the river is flowing freely, it will keep on going. Once it hits the dam, it will stop. So that's the particular condition we need to write. So this is again a quote from Mr. Tom Long, right, who is a tech blogger related to the while loop. So let's take the same example to explain the while loop, what we have taken in the example of for loop. That you were working in a factory and you were filling 99 toys into a box. So what you could be doing there is, okay, you will fill one toy, second, third, fourth, till the time ninth will happen, right? What if I tell you that as soon as the ninth toy is picked, you have to seal the box? So basically there is a condition to make it true so that you can stop filling the box with the toys. So if you compare both for and while loop, the work they are doing kind of same. They are doing the loop. They are doing the work, the same work which you want to do again and again. They are doing it in a less line of codes, right? You don't need to write the same code again and again. But the way they are behaving is different. For loop is working on a range, on a sequence. The while loop is waiting for a condition to stop, right? So in for loop, you are making sure that you stack the 9 toys, but in the while loop, as the 9th toy will come, you will seal the box. Overall, it's the same work, but in two different ways, right? So the while loop is used to repeat a block of code as long as the condition is true. So for example, if you see this code, we have a count. So let's take this. You have a count 1, it's a variable. Then while, so there is a condition. While is a keyword you have to use, and then there is a condition. For example, in the for loop, we had a for and then a variable, then in and then collection or the range, right? This was the syntax for loop. For variable is nothing but the iterator, then in, then the collection or the range. For while, you have to just simply give while and the condition. So you are saying while count is less than equal to, let's say 50, right? While count is less than equal to 50. Let's say you want to print the count. You want to print this count, right? And then inside it, will it become 50 anytime if you will not change it? No. So in the body, you have to take care that you are changing that variable. Count plus plus. Or you can do count plus equal to 1. Right. Count is equal to, or you can write it simply, count is equal to count plus 1. Simple. Let's run this code. Yeah, so what happens is, it has printed all the numbers from 1 to 50. See? How is it running? Till the time count is less than equal to 50, you are keep on printing.
That's one more powerful tool in your Python journey. Keep going. You're closer than ever to mastering this language.